How to use headphone accommodations on iPhone. So if you want to use headphone accommodations on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first is to enable your headphone accommodation. For that, you need to open up your settings on your iPhone, then scroll down a bit and then tap on accessibility. Under hearing section, you need to tap on audio and visual. Then select headphone accommodations, which will be on the top of your screen. Toggle the switch to on. Second step is to customize the audio settings. Once enabled, you can adjust the settings to suit your preferences. Tap on custom audio setup and follow the guided steps to personalize sound for calls, media, or both. Alternatively, you can manually adjust tone audio between balanced vocal range or brightness for your audio preference. You can use the slider to increase or decrease the sound level. By following these steps, you can enable voice isolation and enjoy clear calls without any distractions. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.